Guide her slowly to the right. Ropes are secure. I have the halter secure now. We are ready for transport.
Quay rùa ta! Quay kỹ lại! Bia răng ta bao lên!
Move left, cut them off. Watch the rear. Net ready, throw now. Easy now, easy. Step up. Come along, steady. Almost there, good zebra. Gently, push from the back. Steady, almost there.
We need 3 more in truck 2. Ropes ready. Guide them up slowly.
Bay 3 is clear. Move ahead. Manifest confirmed.
Truck 22, you are clear to enter Gate 3. Proceed slowly to the checkpoint.
Get the underside, careful now.
He is almost ready for drying.
Yalla, move! Get inside, keep moving.
Keep them moving. Watch the flank. Push them through the gate now.
We need to monitor the heat calibration on the blades.
Already adjusted the schematic. The cuts are perfect now. now. Watch the pallet on the left.
Got it, C.
We need that truck out by 3.
Manifest complete. Seal checked. You are cleared to exit the gate.
All trucks cleared for departure on schedule.
Confirmed. Shipment 22 is en route.
Careful with the zebra prints. Stack them tight.
We need 3 more pallets moving inside now.
Here are your jackets. Thank you for shopping with us. They are absolutely gorgeous. Thank you.
I'll take this one. The quality is fantastic.
It looks great on you.
Will that be credit or debit?